Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters. Yeah, we're in Junction City, Oregon. You guessed it. I'm Gary Christians, of course, serving the area here at Guaranty since 1981. Yeah, July 14th, just a couple days ago, was my anniversary date. Coachmen Catalina Summit Series, lightweight trailer. This is the family unit. It's a 172 BH. Yeah, the guy in the back. Yeah, you're right. Bunkhouse. Gosh, he's got two in a row now. So come on in. Let's take a peek inside. Very lightweight trailer. This is a very lightweight trailer. Here in the back, which is a good place to start. We've got two bunks. Window up on top, USB ports. We got a door down below. We'll explore that when we get outside. Nice shower area. It's got a raised top up there to be able to stand in, plenty of light in. Norcold refrigerator, one of my favorite refrigerators. And why? Why? Because they're so dependable. So when we have on our trailer, it's got a deep tray right here. If anything goes wrong up in this area, you have a bag of ice or something, this will hold all that water and it won't flow over there. Yeah, I know, we're not going to have our refrigerator go out, but gosh, you know what? It could happen. Controls are right here. It's got an automatic switch over. If it goes out on electricity, it'll light you up on propane. Kitchen area, fairly nice counter for a short trailer. Single sink. If they put a double sink in, there'd be no counter space. It's a little compromise, okay? It does have good storage underneath. Fan and light, microwave, good storage here on top. Thermostat for your heater, electrical outlet. It's got a two-person dinette that does fall down and make into a bed. The bed, the master bed, with a nice headboard, plenty of storage across the front, more USB ports, electrical outlets, and let me show you underneath here first. Good storage underneath, accessible from outside as well as up above. And then you've got all this storage here. That'll take all their stuff. Gosh, if you bring your kids along, you might have room for some of your stuff too. Already has a TV mount right here, and the hookups. Little hangers for keys or jacket, entertainment, DVD player, electric awning. Let's go around the outside. Weight, I said the weight, 3,100 pounds. Got our nice release here for the door to help you if you want to use it for the screen. We mentioned the electric awning, outdoor speakers, porch light, electrical outlet, hot water heater. Now this is your furnace intake and exhaust, so when it's running heat inside, that's going to be warm. Low point drains, access for your refrigerator, and it's not for you and me, it's for a technician. Stabilizers, jacks all the way around. Outdoor shower, full-size tire and cover. This is that other door I was mentioning. You prop this up. There's a latch right over here. See right over there in the corner? There you go. That locks this in place so you can put a bicycle, a barbecue. Hey, yeah. You don't need the back of your truck. You got a lot of room in here. When you get there, open the door, you got it. Easy peasy. Cable satellite hookup, your 110 shore cord. City water. Freshwater drains down below and freshwater fills here. This is underneath your bed. You can take a look at the outside storage. Single tank. We have one battery. You can upgrade to two. Yeah, I know you have a question or two on this unit or maybe something else. Just call me, Gary Christians, direct at 541-554-9581. Yeah, it's got my email there too. I do either one. Thanks for your time.